In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create inventory items in QuickBooks Online. Setting up inventory in QuickBooks is a fundamental part of managing your business effectively, as it helps you keep track of your products, prices, and stock levels. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through every step in detail, ensuring a smooth setup process. To start off, you will need to sign into your QuickBooks account. Head over to the QuickBooks Online website and click on the Sign In option. This will direct you to the login page where you'll select QuickBooks Online from the list of options if prompted. Enter your credentials, that's your username and password, and then click on Continue to access your dashboard. If you're having trouble with your credentials, remember that the Forgot Password link is there to help you reset and gain access again. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page. From here, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Sales. This section is pivotal for managing everything related to your sales process, including invoices, customers, and products. It's your hub for interactions with clients and their orders, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout if this is your first time here. Next, under the Sales menu, you'll want to select Products and Services. This option is where all your current items are listed, and it's where you'll manage your inventory. On this page, your next step is to click on New, which you will find typically at the top right corner. Clicking this will prompt a drop-down menu where you can select different types of items you wish to add. Here you'll choose Inventory, since we are focusing on stock items that you can monitor for quantities and costs. After selecting Inventory, a new screen will appear prompting you to enter details about the inventory item you're adding. This is where you'll provide specifics like the item name, SKU, initial quantity on hand, the cost, and sales price. Filling in these details accurately is crucial, as this information will be essential for your accounting and financial tracking. You might also need to specify an income account, which is the category your sales will fall into, so ensure this aligns with your business's chart of accounts. Finally, once all the information is filled in to your satisfaction, click on Save and Close to finish the process. This will officially add your inventory item to your QuickBooks, ready for tracking and sales operations. It's a straightforward process, but keeping everything organized here will undoubtedly pay off in the efficiency of your business operations. Remember, correctly managing your inventory in QuickBooks not only helps keep your business organized, but also provides vital data that can influence important business decisions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped clarify how to navigate the inventory setup in QuickBooks Online. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.